Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Zumimall camera. Firstly, tap the plus Add Device button on the home screen and select your product category. Press and hold the power button until the LED light starts flashing or the device announces it's ready. Use a pin or SIM tool to press the reset button. Hold for 5 seconds until the camera says reset completed or starts blinking red. Enter your 2.5 GHz Wi-Fi password into the app and double check for typos. Your phone will display a QR code. Hold the camera lens 5 to 8 inches from your phone screen to scan the code, and you'll hear Wi-Fi connected or setup complete. The app will automatically connect the camera, and once successful, tap done. Give it a custom name and use the included mounting bracket and screws to place the camera where it needed. Test the angle and Wi-Fi signal before final installation. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching.